third kalima subhanallahi walhamdulillahi wala ilaha illallahu wallahu akbar. Say wallahu akbar, wallahu akbar. Now read wala hawla wala quwwata illa billahil. Hill, join it, join ha, yeah, join ha with lam. Illa billahil, yeah, this ha joining with this lam, okay. Illa billahil aliyyil azim. Yeah.